Hello everyone. Today we are going to crochet a beautiful flower keychain. Super easy and super fast. This tutorial is made for the beginners. So let's start. You can take yarn, whatever yarn you have in your home, and accordingly you will take the crochet hook. Okay, so let's start. Yeah, how to make a slip knot. So make a loop like this. Here you will have two ends. One is the short and one is the long end. So what you have to do, take a short end on the loop and pull through. This way you will get a slip knot. Now you will tie this by pulling the short end. Okay, insert your crochet hook in it and now we will make chain. First I'll wrap yarn around my finger. Now I'll start making a chain. What we have to do, yarn over and pull through this chain. So now this is my first chain. So altogether I have to make 8 chain. One I have already made, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And suppose by mistakenly I make 9 chain. See this way. So how to undo this chain? What you have to do, just remove your hook, crochet hook, and pull the working yarn, the long end or the working yarn. Pull it. Here you can undo the chain. Now altogether I have 8 chain. What I have to do now? See, this is my chain. Now I want to make a circle. So what I'll do, I have one loop already or one chain already on my hook. Okay. So just keep it as it is and go to the first chain or the V-shaped structure. What will insert this crochet hook into this first chain. And here you will make slip knot. Okay. See carefully how I'm making slip knot. What you have to do, yarn over and pull through both this chain. This is called slip knot. Pull through both this chain. Now I have a circle. Can you see this? Now let's start making the petal. We have to follow one type of pattern to make the petals. That is, first you have to make 2 chains. 1 and 2. Okay. Then after that you will make 3 triple crochet stitch. 3 triple crochet stitches. So let's start. How to make triple crochet? Yarn over 1 time, yarn over 2 times. So we have to yarn over 2 times. How many loops now I have on my crochet? 3, correct? 1, 2, 3. Now I'll go into the circle. Okay, see this is the circle. Go into the circle and yarn over and pull through. This way you will get 4 loops on your crochet hook. Now what we have to do? Yarn over and pull through 2 at a time. 1. I'll just wrap around my finger. 1. Then yarn over and pull through second time. Yarn over, pull through and third time. Now what you have to do, you have to tie this. How you are going to tie this? Just bring this triple crochet close to your this 2 chain. Okay. Now next triple crochet. Okay. Yarn over 1 time, yarn over 2 time. Okay. Then I have 3 loops here. What I'll do, I'll go to the circle and yarn over and pull through. So now I have 4 loops on my crochet hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Now yarn over, pull through 2 at a time. Yarn over, pull through 2 at a time. Okay? And yarn over and finally. So this is my second triple crochet. So I have to make it tight. So we have to, how to make it tight? Bring close to your first triple crochet. Okay, see this. Okay, now the last triple crochet. 1, 2, go inside the circle, yarn over, pull through. And loops I have 4. Yarn over, pull through 2 at a time. 1, 2 at a time, 2, 2 at a time, 3. Finally, okay. So this is done. Okay, pull through neck close to this chain. Now we have to make, see, 2 chain, 3 triple crochet, and now next two chain, 1 and 2. And then you can, this one loop is there on your hook, insert into the circle and then yarn over and pull through this chain. This is called slip knot. So see, now one petal is over. Okay, the last petal, I'll show you how to make last petal. Chain 1, chain 2. Okay, 2 chain. Okay, 3 triple crochet, stitch. 3 triple crochet, stitch. Okay, yarn over, pull through this 2, 2 at a time. Okay, get tight this and pull this also tight. So this is our complete flower. Now what you are going to do, you are going to cut this long end. Okay, so how you can just keep it this longer so that we can make keychain. So I'll cut this here. Okay, and and then pull through this working yarn. Okay, and then pull this. So this is a flower, complete flower. Now thread the needle into your yarn. Then thread the beads into your yarn according to your design. Take this keychain ring and tie your yarn around it. Okay, make a knot. Okay. Now follow the same pattern. Okay, see this. Just tie it here. You can secure it here. Okay. And then take the last one. And go here. Okay. Now tie this both ends. Secure it by tightening. Secure it by making 2 knots. And then cut both this thread. So here your keychain is ready.